Hello everyone. Whenever I talk about psychotherapy, the most common response I get from people is that it is meant for someone with severe mental health conditions such as severe depression, suicidal ideations, OCD, and other such conditions. Although they all are right, it's not always the case. Today I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why people enroll in therapy except for such severe conditions. So let's talk about it. Begin with the reason number 1, which is stress. हालांकि कुछ अमाउंट ऑफ स्ट्रेस हमारे जीवन का एक एसेंशियल हिस्सा है और कुछ प्रोडक्टिविटी और मोटिवेशन में मदद भी करता है, लेकिन जब ये स्ट्रेस हमारे लिमिटेशन हमारे कैपेसिटी से एक्सीड हो जाता है तो वी कैन एक्सपीरियंस अ साइकोलॉजिकल और अ फिजियोलॉजिकल ब्रेकडाउन एंड क्रॉनिक टाइम में अगर इसको इंटरवीन ना किया जाए, इसको ओवरलुक करते रहे, तो इट कैन ऑल्सो लीड अस टू फिजिकल कंडीशन सच एज डायबिटीज, स्किन डिजीजेस एंड इवन गैस्ट्रो इंटेस्टाइनल डिजीजेस. साइकोलॉजिकल कंडीशंस की बात करें तो लंबे समय तक अगर स्ट्रेस को ओवरलुक करते रहे तो इट कैन लीड अस टू सीवियर डिप्रेशन एंड सीवियर एंग्जाइटी. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट रीजन नंबर 2, which is loss and grief. At times, we all find ourselves to be in situations which are difficult to face, events which are really critical. We all feel hopeless and future seems to be really bleak. ऐसे में हमारे फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली का सपोर्ट might not feel just right enough to get ourselves back into a normal daily life. ऐसे में a therapist can help you to process the event in a better way, to learn healthy coping mechanisms, and especially to bounce back into your normal life with a new spirit and with a new energy. The third most important thing people enroll in therapy is relationship issues. Relationship are one of the most important and crucial aspect of one's life. But having said that, it doesn't come conflict free. A conflict in a relationship can vary from a simple argument to physical or verbal abuse, which could be really detrimental to one's health. इसके अलावा expectational differences. When two or more people come together to form a relationship, they would have different approaches and perspective towards life, and in a long run, it would be difficult sometimes to sustain such a relationship. या फिर sometimes in a relationship we need to form and take important decisions like whether to stay in a relationship or whether to move on. ऐसे में एक therapist can help you to take a wise and healthy decision for yourself or to set healthy boundaries, या फिर they can help you learn effective ways of communication to reduce problem between you and your partner. The fourth reason we're going to talk about today is change or transition. वैसे तो कहते हैं चेंज हमारे जीवन का एक अहम हिस्सा होता है, but sometimes big changes like shift of a career, getting into a marriage, having a childbirth, or maybe a natural calamity can leave a deep impact on our psyche. And some people could find it really anxiety provoking and disturbing to adjust to their new environments. ऐसे में a therapist can help you to learn easy and better ways to cope and adjust to your environment and progress in your life with a positive mindset. Fifth reason is a special one. You might be surprised to know that people also go to therapy without having any reason. Yes, you heard me correct, because you do not really require a reason to choose happiness, and we are not destined to remain low spirited, sad, and under stress all the time. So, a therapy can provide you with a safe and supportive environment where you can be yourself, express yourself, and that too without the fear of being judged and with the perk of confidentiality. So, going to therapy is like going to gym but for your mental muscles.